How does one create unplanned breakdown maintenance work orders on equipment? In the main window, you can click on the Request Breakdown button to get a screen where you can specify the equipment, location, and the type of unplanned maintenance tasks that need to be done. If you select an equipment, the task list gets refreshed to only show unplanned frequency tasks that you have associated with that equipment. For your convenience, there is a default unplanned task called Any Other Maintenance that can be requested with any equipment or location. Planned preventative maintenance work orders are automatically scheduled from task settings. However, work order numbers are not yet assigned. You still have to run planning to create them or manually create each work order. Run planning to create work orders and email print planned breakdown work orders to technicians. You have the option to modify or cancel work orders before emailing or printing. If you want FastMaint to automatically email pending work orders and reminders when work orders are overdue, you can go to the Settings screen found under Administration in the main window. Check off the option to email out pending work orders and reminders. Once maintenance technicians receive the work orders and complete them, you have to update the work orders with their feedback and close them. There are a few ways to do this. Update the work orders one by one. You can locate work orders on the main window using the selection criteria. Open it and update it. Alternatively, if you have the work order number, you can use the Find button, enter the work order number, press Enter, open and update the work order. To update multiple work orders at a time using Fast Feedback, click on the Feedback button in the main window, enter your criteria, and get a list of matching work orders. You can click on check boxes to close the work order or double-click on a work order to open and edit it. If you email out work orders to maintenance personnel and they send back email or text message replies closing and updating work orders, you can use the email processing feature in FastMaint to update and close these work orders. Click on the Email button. In the email processing screen, click on the Receive button to receive email. If you have turned on Emailed Work Request in the Settings screen, you will also receive any emailed work request at this time. Next, click on the Process button to process the email and update the work orders based on the received email responses. Any work request emails, if received, are also processed at this time. Some email messages may be errors. For example, bounced email because a maintenance person's email address was incorrectly entered, the work order number was missing from the reply, and so on. You can fix or delete such errors by double-clicking on them.